Hi kids, we are doing our lesson with the whole group today, and so bear with me as I try to talk to you on the screen and try to talk to the kids in the classroom. Our first lesson today is on context clues. You've been learning about context clues since you were in kindergarten or first grade? Second? Do you remember what they are? The clues in the sentence that help you know an unknown word. Does that sound familiar?
Yes.
All right. As you read, you may read a word you don't know or whose meaning isn't quite clear to you. You can use words nearby or context clues to figure out what the word means. These clues may not be in the same sentence. Be sure to look around at the sentences that come before or after the unknown word for clues. Sometimes context clues have the same meaning as the unfamiliar word, and sometimes they have the opposite meaning of the unfamiliar word. We have 4 sentences in red up here. The first one says, the other team committed many turnovers, which gave us the ball each time. The underlined word turnovers is the one that I don't know. You guys know I played for the Wizards, so I do know what that is, but
You played for the
yeah, didn't I tell you that?
Yeah, you did last year. That is not real.
Graded?
Oh, you played on stuff?
I don't know. No. I used to tell kids that I played for them. Leave me. You guys are no fun.
We are smart.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, so if I don't know the word turnovers, what is there in this sentence? What words would help me know what turnover is? Riley. Which gave us the ball each time. That's my clue. If I've never heard of a turnover, except for I think it's sweet, like pastry. Have you ever had a pastry turnover? Cherry turnover? Okay, so the kind we're talking about in the game, if you have a turnover, the coach is probably going to put you right on the bench because you keep giving the ball to the other team. So there's my clue. The next sentence says, everyone on the team raised their arms to congratulate each other with high fives. Let's pretend like I'm from another country and I don't know American culture and I don't know what a high five is. What is in this sentence that would help me know what a high five is? Miss Abby. I hope this computer's still working.
Raised their arms.
The team raised their arms. There's another word that helps me know how they're doing it. To congratulate. So what if a high five was this? Hey, good job, Kelsey. I just put my hand up. But if I don't know that it's to congratulate, it might be like this, right? Raise my hand up and I have an angry fist. So it's important to get all the words that help define what high fives are. All right, moving on. Make sure my little screen's facing the right way. The next sentence says, the best players were well coordinated because their arms and legs worked together smoothly. My underlined word is coordinated. What words help me know what coordinated means? Ryan.
Your arms and legs.
They worked together smoothly. Yes. If you're uncoordinated, maybe you trip on the floor, even though nothing's there. If you are coordinated, it means that your body moves fluidly, smoothly. Number 4, last one. There was a wild collision at center court when 2 players didn't see each other while running at full speed. Let's pretend like I don't know the word collision. What words would help me understand what collision means? Peyton. Yep, kind of this whole thing. If I don't know what a collision is, I can kind of guess if 2 players are running at each other at full speed and they don't notice what's bound to happen. Okay, good. That is your quick mini lesson to remind you about context clues. All right, the next quick review is, oh, we're doing good on time, is vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. How to break a word into its syllables. And where do we break the syllable, or where do we break to cut the syllables in half? Caitlin.
The S and the P.
Very good. Both the S and the P are,
Consonant.
yes, they are consonants. So we need to remember to break it in between the two consonants. Who's got parcel? Peyton. Good. Who has expand? Abby.
Cut it between the X and P.
Who has injure? Yes, hidden. Devin. Dawson, thunder.
The N and the P.
Caden, costume.
T and the U. The S and the T.
There you go. What's that U?
U.
Is it a consonant or a vowel? There you go. We don't want to cut it by the vowel. Tennis. Kelsey. Yes. Preston, excite.
X and C.
Very good. Anybody on this? Didn't call on at all? Ryan? Gender. What?
Gender. N and D.
There you go. Sorry, squished together too much. Chelsea, persist. Very good. Dawson, intern.
The N and the T.
Peyton, ballot. Ballot. I want to call it ballet. Thank you. LL. And Abby, lawful.
W and L.
And Devin, chimney. M&M. Caden, convert or convert.
N and the V.
Welcome. Thanks. Rescue, Caitlin.
The S and the C.
Alter, Preston.
L and T.
Did you say L? Okay. And normal. Abby.
R and L.
Riley, dentist. Very good. That is a quick review of what you are going to be doing today, which is another assignment that looks just like your other one, but we're going to have 100% from everybody today. So I want you to make sure that you keep in mind that you don't get tricked into cutting it by the vowel. Cut it between the consonants.
Right.